So we're living here in 10 days and this is how our luggages look. Like we basically didn't even start to organize them perfectly. We're just throwing stuff above. Okay, so the goal is to take 50% out and leave it here. So the hardest part now is what do I take with me?
Hola, buenas tardes, dígame.
Hola, estoy llamando de Estados Unidos. Sí, puedes por favor. Sí, yo estoy lista. Sí, ok, muy bien, gracias y adiós.
Vale.
Okay, so 6 days to go and things are still not looking as we will like them to look. It's still mess. I'm trying now to find stuff inside the kitchen. Still from grandma some spices. I know you can buy everything in Spain. But hey, it's free here. Make sure this whole room is clean. Let's see what's going on. I'll give you a tour. This luggage, still have to clean everything from here. Let's see what's going on here. Yep, still lots of work to do, but we are doing it, right, Miss Mila? Are you excited?
Yeah, we're going to move to Spain.
Okay, guys, 4 days to go, and it's look like things starting to get cleaner here. Look at this. Mr. Adam cleaned this room because we want to leave everything organized here. All the rooms. Still a little bit work to do here, but overall look pretty good. And of course to finish to pack in our luggages.
And I didn't realize I was going to be on camera right now. And once we get packed up, we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. What are you doing with this coffee here, Sophie?
What coffee? From Vietnam?
Yeah. You bought this, so what are you going to do with it? You're bringing it to Spain? You just bought Vietnamese coffee and you're going to leave it here forever? Drink it.
I can drink it, yes. Should I speak Spanish or should I speak English?
Sí, dígame.
Hola, me llamo Sofía.
Hola, ¿me entiendes?
20 horas por semana.
4 meses.
Sí, para 4 meses. Muchas gracias. Wow, I can't believe I did all this in Spanish. Okay, adios. I'll drink it. I got the Vietnamese coffee, Vietnamese coffee. This is the dance for Vietnamese coffee.
You danced a lot better. I know what I mean.
I get old. Okay guys, 4 days to go. And guess what? It's a very hard moment when you move and you decide that you're choosing a new life. You have to get rid of everything. You need to sell everything. So I'm going today to Subarry. My Forester is going bye-bye. So let's go. Let's go. Are you ready? Let me.
Car.
I have all
and
these
I'll
ones.
take that title.
I think this is one you need.
Yep, that's where I was paid off.
Yes, and I think this is the title. It's just under my name.
And that's the title. Right.
Oh my goodness,
there.
is it happening?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm signing my life. I'll get a real check.
What's that?
I said I hope I'll get a real check.
Yeah.
Not just a printed
No
copy.
real check.
Camera.
So let me
So we right now in the car, driving to St. Paul to some government office. Adam, where are we going?
We're going to some government office in the capital. Fun fact, the capital of Minnesota. It's not Minneapolis, the only city you've maybe heard of. It's actually St. Paul. And we need to get our kids' birth certificates apostilled. Need to get the special stamp. It's kind of annoying actually, but it's much easier to get one from your state than from the federal seal. Is really time consuming. Short story long, that's where we're going right now to get that apostille, spend a little bit of money, and then go back, get a check. Not a bad day.
We have one more stop actually in the way back. To be able to drive in Spain for 6 months, we recommend you to get international driving license from your country. Allowed you to drive 6 months in the country, correct?
The law in Spain, you have 6 months to get your Spanish driver's license. You drive 6 months in one day and you don't have a Spanish driver's license, you are breaking the law. You go to AAA in anywhere in the US, costs like 20 bucks, and it's good for a year. So that's what we're going to do on our way home after we do these first couple things.
So things did not go as well as we planned. Half of them yes, half of them no. We're getting a phone call from Subarry saying, hey guys, you gave us the wrong lien release form for the car, so didn't have the correct document of us proving that we own the car. We went to the bank. We found a really nice lady. So Scarlett helped us and it was amazing. Right now we are on the way back to Subaru. Hopefully that the document we got from the bank, it will be enough to sign and give us this amazing check.
I remember some of the first advice I gave when we left on our trip around the world. Stay calm, go with the flow, keep your eye on the prize, because how you get there, the process, selling your car, renting your house, moving, whatever you're doing, it's not going to go smooth always. So just enjoy it and keep your eye on the prize.
Hopefully we'll get our beautiful check and everything will go
here.
well.
Come on. Holding the door for this pretty lady.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Woohoo!
This is Adam Barth calling. You might be able to help us with this as well. Subaru Forester has been insured by you guys, and we actually just sold it today, so we no longer need insurance on that. We are carless. Yeah, we're moving out of the country here actually in a few days, so that was our last big piece of the puzzle.
So we are in our last stop for today. We're going to AA8. Right. Good morning. 3 days to go. So right now, let's go down and finish packing. I still need to do a bunch of stuff. I still need to port my phone to Google Voice. I need to pay a few bills. I need to do insurance. So I still have a few things to do, and I still have 2 photo sessions tomorrow. So let's go and pack it. Okay, guys, this is it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Whoop whoop.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
We are in Paris. So feedback about the airport. It's a very big airport and it took us a long time to get here. But look at these couches. This is not the best thing in the world, so what it is. Look, you can just relax and wait 2-3 hours for your next flight. You can probably even take a nap here. But it's just tables with you can play games here. And you can charge your computer or your iPad, your phone, and relax.
We're in Spain.
Bienvenidos, Adam. Bienvenidos, Leo. Bienvenidos a Malaga.
One more.
We're here.
So we got a little confused and we told our Airbnb guy that we are going to be here at 9. So unfortunately he didn't see our text for a long time. So we are just here outside, like you can see, waiting with all of our luggages. But he just texted and say he will be here in 5 minutes. So hopefully we can get inside our condo after 17 hours of traveling. Adios.